this week we're going to be talking about remote management software. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and if you've been following along, I have explained to you why you should set up your very own VPN. Not just use the VPN of somebody else, but create your own VPN and use it from home. I have explained why this VPN can be used to defeat Netflix's same IP policies, and of course this week I'm going to be helping you with a suggestion for software that will allow you to fix and repair all computers and networking issues you may have remotely, as well as allowing you to connect various networks and devices into your own VPN. My suggestion is to use a piece of software known as TeamViewer, which is still free for personal use. Got to fix your grandma's computer? Gotcha. Got to fix your brother's computer? Definitely gotcha. Got a friend out somewhere in the world that needs to access the latest episodes of any show that you guys like? Still gotcha. Go to TeamViewer.com and download the software on both computers. Make sure you get an account on TeamViewer so that you'll be able to add each of these computers into your account. Yes, you can do that. You'll need to get the necessary information from all of these computers to be able to log in, user ID, and password. It's right on the screen when you load up the software. Don't even have to show you it. You'll just see it. It'll be there. And once you log in and add it to your account, you'll be able to go anytime you need to fix that computer. It's as simple as that. You don't have to take out any cards or anything to pay for anything unless you decide to make this a commercial business and enterprise. But for those just wanting to help out a few friends and family, that's how you do it. TeamViewer, download, create an account, add computers to your actual account. You'll be able to access everything that the computer can access because you'll be using the computer remotely. So if you need to fix it, you can. If you need to do some stuff in Windows or any other operating system, you can. And of course, you'll be able to access all the hardware and software inside of the network from the computer the way that they would be able to. So if you need to access the router, you can. And you can also set up all the information for the VPN to connect into your own VPN to be able to have them have your Netflix using your IP, defeating Netflix's same IP policies. I hope this helps you out. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com. You can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing. And of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where you can see me play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern, provided nothing happens at work. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.